We're number 81. I'm scared there are 80 people in front of me, and I can't wait that long. I'm too hungry. So hopefully it's going to be quick. I hope there's not really 80 people in front of me. So just hang on. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in downtown Lenoir, North Carolina, and we have found the Shaken Dog. Now, I've seen their menu, and they have all kinds of hot dogs, every kind of topping you want, and these specialty dogs they put together, you won't even imagine what they are. So, come on, let's go try them. Let's go see what they are. Now, Shaken Dog's a real small place, but it doesn't take a very big place to make hot dogs. Now they got their menu up here on the board here so you can see what they've got. If you want to take a closer look, here's their desserts. And we're going to get to that in a little bit. But look at these hot dogs. These are some specialty dogs I have never seen in my life before. A barbecue dog, a steak dog, a hot dog with hot sauce on it, the jalapeno dog, grilled cheese dog, a bacon, egg, and cheese dog with egg, cheese, and bacon. Nacho Dog, the Arizona Dog, the Chicago Dog, the Reuben Dog. They have soups every day. Oh, you can get sandwiches. If you don't want hot dogs, you can get sandwiches. Okay, guys. There's so many things to choose from here. It was really hard. But I got the Nacho Dog right here. Nacho Dog. Have you ever seen? It's just amazing. All my favorite things on one dog. And I upgraded to the brat. Not just a regular hot dog, I upgraded to the brat. So here we go. Let's see how this Nacho Dog is. That's a really fresh brat. Now, hold on. I gotta get a jalapeno in here. This next bite. And a tomato. I got nacho cheese, jalapeno, tomato all on here. When your toppings are falling off, you can't ask for anything more than that. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. Now, I want you to see what my wife got here. Look down here. That thing's got crispy onion things on it. It's got bacon, ketchup. She got fries, so I'm gonna steal one of her fries here. I've even got good fries. All right. This goes in my recommend category for sure. Now, if you're lucky enough to be here on Tuesday, you can get a hot dog for just $1. What a deal! Without a doubt, I can say, because I remember, I have never had lettuce or tomato on a hot dog before. But I can say I'll do it again, because lettuce, tomato, jalapenos, nacho cheese, sour cream, oh, it all goes together. Oh man, order it. I'm almost done with my food, and now I'm so excited because I hear the shake machine going in the background here. You guarantee there is a dessert coming up. Okay, I gotta make some room for my dessert. All right, shake it down, shake it down. Okay, I think I got enough room. Look at this shake with extra ice cream on top. And look at that. Oh, does that not look awesome? Alright guys, are you seeing this? This is a homemade waffle with peanut butter fudge, ice cream, whipped cream, fudge sauce, chocolate sauce, and caramel sauce. My. You notice that there are 2 spoons, so I will be sharing this with my lovely wife. We're going to tell you how it is. Here we go. I I gotta get a little bit of everything. Let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, and by the way, we ran into him the other day, he is still alive, and Elvis is a subscriber. You want to see more places like this? Hit that subscribe button. Also, get that notification bell because you don't want to ever miss another video. And give us a big thumbs up like if you're liking the content. It really does help the channel. Ice cream. We got the waffle. Gotta get a little bit of this. That's a big bite. That's warm. The waffle's got a crunch to it. The ice cream's good. That's a perfect combination of flavors right there. All right. Get this if you come here. You have to find this place. Google your way here, find it. It's not just another hot dog. Until next time, we'll see ya.